The UNTOWARD Youth Council Mawshbuit unit, under the leadership of President WANSHEMBOK and General Secretary MAXKEVIN KHARKONGOR, on the 6th of September 2021, had met Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shullai and MDC of MAWRYNKNENG SYIEM to apprise them of the situation at the locality, wherein a recent untoward incident had occurred due to the alleged high-handedness of defense personnel of the 58 GORKHA Training Center on the general public. Speaking to the media, one of the leaders of the HYC Mawshbuit unit informed that the meeting ended in a positive note, wherein Sanbor Shullai and SYIEM had agreed to follow up on the issue of harassment of the local public by the defense personnel in Mawshbuit locality. The HYC also appreciated the efforts of the HYC Central Body and Nongthomai unit, as well as the Darbar Shnong Mawshbuit, for their support and concern for the welfare of the residents of the area. It was further informed that an inspection of the 58 GTC gate would be soon conducted from the government's end, though the date of the same has not yet been fixed.
Jadi kalau enam kalau kunjuru industri jual bapaknya SYIEM lu berapa orang? Dunia berdiri dengan kam, dunia lain Iraq dengan kam, ada banyak yang soal juga. Kalau minta nak kalian jom ini lah nang berdiri lu tadi kat kunci terjungi dalam kena isu pajak ni kira nang tentang ini kam nang balam kini awak tak sekolah kerja inspection.